Subscribe khaidi Bible Kathar channel no tei bell icon sini dedi jong info sekang video nayani bagai.
Now, with just a day to go for the scheduled end of the 21-day nationwide lockdown, the Prime Minister today is likely to make an official announcement with this regard. Sources say that the government is likely to extend the lockdown by 2 more weeks. India Today has accessed some exclusive details of the government's post-April 14th plans. It is learned that Prime Minister Modi has asked all ministers to resume work from today, while the centre, meanwhile, is considering providing relief to the agricultural sector. Government is likely to run special trains and bus services for agricultural labour and farm industry workers. Special packages for labourers working during the lockdown period is also under consideration. And the Ministry of Home Affairs also directed states and union territories to ensure that supply of essential commodities is not disrupted during this lockdown period.
कृषि से संबंधित गतिविधियां तो अभी चल रही हैं। कोई भी गतिविधि ऐसी नहीं है जिसमें लॉकडाउन के चलते हुए रुकावट हो, लेकिन आर्थिक गतिविधियां और बढ़ना चाहिए। इस पर सरकार गंभीर है, लेकिन लॉकडाउन खुले इससे पहले ये सोचना ज़रूरी है कि इंसान सुरक्षित रहे, उसका जीवन सुरक्षित रहे, और इस मामले में जब उपयुक्त होगा तो सरकार निर्णय करेगी।
Let's quickly go over to Ashutosh joining us live from Delhi to give us more details on this lockdown extension that the Prime Minister has planned for the country for the larger good. Ashutosh, please join us in. Give us your take on what this lockdown extension would really mean on ground.
So, well, most of the states have already started declaring, further extension of the lockdown. But now, since with the conversation with Prime Minister to all the Chief Minister, there was a demand of to continue and not to lift the pan-India lockdown. So clearly, when Prime Minister will announce, it will be a pan-India lockdown where even the railway services, airline, airport, everything will remain shut. However, unlike the last, the 21 days pan-India lockdown, this time there will be certain relief and relaxation, particularly to the farmers, because the crops are ready to be harvested. So that need to be looked upon, and of course that is also part of the essential supply. At the same time, the fishery industry has also been called up, and there are certain advisories coming from different ministry to the centre government, that why along with the essential services, those sectors who are not affected. In fact, there is also one suggestion from the CII that where there is no contamination, a contaminated area, certain industries need to be looked upon, that they can be given some relaxation to open, because that's also somewhere affecting not only the economy, job losses and several others. So clearly this time government looks more prepared. We'll have to see Prime Minister's address where what are the measures he's going to announce further.
Ashutosh, thank you very much for joining us. We're going to come